It is very important to understand that Bitcoin is not equal to the blockchain. Blockchain is a technology, whereas Bitcoin is an application. So anything like token, coin, all these names which you are hearing, like for example Ethereum, they are not equal to the blockchain. Blockchain is something that has powered these network or powered these application to run. And this is where I need you to explain that how the first technologies of the internet works in past. Like for example, you can call it like internet is actually based on different protocols. For example, simple mail transfer protocol for the email, HTTP or HTTPS, like for the secure. So these are, you can take it like these are the protocols that the applications are using, and those applications which are using are Outlook or maybe different products. For example, if you have created a website, then of course you are leveraging the technology like HTTPS, because without HTTPS maybe your application will not come on a browser, or maybe if it is not something like a secure, then maybe you are using HTTP. So this is similar. The concept is very similar in the blockchain as well. So blockchain is a combination of different technology. For example, peer-to-peer network, this is another it's a technology. Mining consensus, this is a technology where you can say the game theory comes in, especially in the Bitcoin. Then we have cryptography, entire cryptography of creating the chain between different blocks. So this cryptography is like a PKI, which means a public key infrastructure, like public and private key infrastructure. This is where this technology comes in. And then the irreversible chain of records, where they are continuously persisting the data, so that nobody can mutate this data ever in entire life of its entire blockchain network. And then we have distributed data ledger technology, where one node is down, then the other would have the same data, and this is the continuous like ledger maintaining and maintenance happening. So imagine all these components of this blockchain technology, they actually help the applications like Bitcoin to run on the network. So this is why Bitcoin is an application, just like Outlook is an application over the internet. Bitcoin is the application over the blockchain technology, and blockchain is the combination of the technology. Internet is the combination of different technologies like HTTP, HTTPS. And how this application is working, if you look at the right side, you will see owner of this, or you can say the product owner, or the people who own the Outlook application, which I'm sure you have seen it in your lifetime, or maybe the Hotmail if you are from the dinosaur age of the internet. So these email systems are actually owned by the Microsoft. So Microsoft is the owner of this entire application, whereas you are only a user. But in the Bitcoin, the case is different. Now the Bitcoin application is actually run by different run by the community, run by miners who are supporting this technology, so that it can be run all around the world. Unlike Microsoft, who own the entire technology and run through their own servers. So the user in the community, or you can say in the Bitcoin community, they are same. They can go with the level of, they can become a miner, they can become a supporter of the program, or they can become a user of the program. It is same. However, on the Outlook, we all are user. We cannot become owner, and we have nothing to do being the owner of the Outlook at all. So this is a very like important understanding that blockchain technology is a combination of technology. It's not something that you can say that it's a single technology at all. Blockchain, whenever someone say blockchain technology, it shows the combined technology of different existing technology around the world. And similarly, Bitcoin is not equal to the blockchain. So always remember, Bitcoin is an application which is empowered by the blockchain technology.